Hi everyone, welcome back to Udaan Analytics. Today I built something students and teachers will love. A small free notes to quiz chatbot that reads your PDF notes and generate practice questions. All offline, no cloud bills, and you can build it under 10 minutes. I will show the app live, explain every line of code, and give you the project files so you can build it yourself. Let's go. So we are trying to solve a problem. So most of the students struggle to convert notes into practice questions. So through this app or website, we will solve this problem. So quick overview before jumping on the app. This app is a Streamlit web app. You upload a PDF or paste the text or notes. The app extract text, pick the most important sentences and turn them into fill in the blanks question. It is an offline, no cost solution, and later we will discuss how to plug in stronger AI models for better questions. First, I will show it's working on my machine. So I will go to my chatbot. I will open a terminal here. Now I need to create a virtual environment for my project. So I have created a virtual environment. So it's take some time. And once you have the virtual environment, you need to activate that virtual environment. It is different for Mac OS and Linux. For Windows, you just need to do virtual environment, scripts, and activate. So in the starting, as you can see, we have virtual environments. This means that we are in the virtual environment. So there are two important files in this. One is app.py and requirements. I will copy from here and paste it in my virtual environment. Now, I need to install my requirements. What it needs. So as you can see, I'm installing everything from my requirement file. And when I click on the enter, I think, okay. So as you can see, I have uh, like the name of the requirement file is wrong. So let me correct it. And as you can see, it is like downloading, installing all the libraries. The time taken by it's all depend on your internet. So let's see the requirement file. So here we have only two requirements. One is PyDF2 and Streamlit. Let's wait a couple of minutes till all the requirements get it. So guys, as you can see, everything is installed. Our requirements are is installed. So um, let me run the Streamlit app. So for that, you just need to Streamlit and then the code file app.py. So it will open in a minute. So as you can see, this is what I have built as of now. Notes to Chatbot, as you can see, like it gives you two options whether to upload a PDF or paste your notes, and so it will be generating fill in the blanks question automatically. For example, as you can see, as you can see here, I have some sample notes. Just let me open it now. Here it is. So this is notes about biology cells structure. So I can either like upload a complete PDF file, or I can paste the text as well. So I'm just uploading the file here, and as you can see, I have uploaded the file and it is running, and within seconds, like, it will give you a summary and it will generate the fill in the blanks for you to answer, and it will gives you option to download the quiz as well, so that you can share it with the student offline. So now the question is why it matters. So this is the powerful because it converts passive notes into active recall practice. Best way to learn quickly, and you can run it entirely on your laptop with free software. Now let's go through the code as well. So I have opened the main file that I have used here, and I will explain what each part does so you can teach yourself and show this to students as well. So as you could see in the top level, we have I have imported Streamlit and string IO, bytes IO, and then for regular expression random. So I have imported few of the things that will be used by NLP, natural language processing. What are the key sections? Key sections is the the text input. The app accept either an uploaded PDF or pasted text. Then we have text extraction that will extract text from PDF, uses PyPDF2 to read every page and build a single string. Then we have sentence splitter, a simple regex based splitter. It returns only reasonably long sentences, so we avoid tiny fragment. Then we have summarization, and summarization is extractive. It counts word frequencies and scores sentences by total frequency. So I think there are four or five key sections here. This approach is intentionally simple and offline. It demonstrates the idea clearly and it is fully reproducible. Let's look at these three chunks basically. Extract text from PDF. So this function will extract, read the PDF page by page and extract the text from the PDF. So it loops over PDF reader dot pages and concatenates page dot extract text. If PyPDF2 isn't available, the app wants and asks the user to paste text. Very robust for typical PDFs. Then we have summarize. So we count words, then score each sentence by summing the frequency of word inside it, and take top n sentences. It is a classical simple extractive summarizer, fast and interpretable. Then we have generate close. We look for the words longer than 5 character and replace one with dash, adding that question plus original answer to that list. If not enough candidates are found, we relax the word length rule. That's how the offline quiz is created. I have created the tutorial I have created the tutorial PDF and slides, so you can download from the video description. They include step by step run commands and code comments, and also include the sample notes PDF so viewers can test immediately. Okay, the offline version is great for demos, but if you want better exam styles questions, you can plug in an AI model here. Now, what we can use local models that are free from Hugging Face and runs on CPU. They make our app slower, but it will be free. Otherwise, we can use OpenAI, highest quality and control. You can send notes in a prompt asking for JSON output. A quick note about privacy, since it runs offline, so it never sends your notes to the cloud. Perfect for private study material. If you use OpenAI or HF API, your notes are sent to that provider. Mention this if you demo private students' data. Also, local models are free but slow. OpenAI is fast but cost money. So imagine a single student can create 100 of practice questions in minutes. For teachers, you can create quizzes for each class in bulk. For immediate impact, this tool moves passive notes into active learning with zero cost. So download the project files from the description. Try it now. If you want the full code with local LLM integration or OpenAI examples, add it directly into the app. Comment part 2 and I will build it. Like, subscribe and share with a student who needs faster study tools. I will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you and bye bye.